Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions. Today we start a new tutorial, how to fix Amazon Fire TV remote not working. Unplug your Fire TV stick light from the mains power. Press and hold left, back and option together for 12 seconds. Wait for 5 seconds, then remove the batteries from the Alexa voice remote. Plug the Fire TV stick light back into the mains power. Wait until you see the "We cannot detect your remote" screen. Put the batteries into the Alexa voice remote. Press and hold home for 10 seconds to pair the Alexa voice remote. Ensure the Alexa voice remote is with 10 feet, 3 meters, of the Fire TV stick light. The remote is now paired with the Fire TV stick light. If pairing does not work, try changing the batteries in the Alexa voice remote. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.